Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make a welcome and goodbye channel on Discord. To do this, you have to first of all open your Discord application. And next, what you want to do is go ahead and open up any server for where you want to go ahead into it. And then you want to click or create a channel. So for that, go to voice channel or just go to text channel and right click anywhere and go ahead and click on create channel. So first of all, you want to select text and give a name. So we'll be creating a welcome channel first of all. So type in welcome. And once you've done it, so click on create channel. As you've created a welcome channel, now it's turn for you to create a goodbye channel. So do the same thing, right click and go ahead and click on create channels. So now you want to type in goodbye. And once you've created a goodbye channel as well as the welcome channel, you want to go to the server title, click the arrow icon, and from here you want to go ahead and click on server settings, or you could just go to app directories. So on the search box, you want to type in ProBot and hit enter. After which you want to locate the ProBot. Here it is. You want to add it, so click on add app. After which you want to click on the trust ProBot and visit the site as well. You could do this, start authorizing all the permissions and all sort of things. So click on continue, keep scrolling, select the server and click on continue. Once again, read the terms, click on authorize. And now that to confirm it, you have to go ahead and fill out some CAPTCHA. So you want to complete these as well. This is how the interface will look. So you want to go to the new message section. So what you need to do is you want to simply go ahead and click on server settings here and enable all of these, or go to embed message. Here you want to scroll down and go to welcome and goodbye. Here it is. Now you need to set up your welcome and goodbye, right? So you want to toggle a button for it, and you could go ahead and type in the prompt. So just mention the member. You could go ahead and type in that and just go ahead and make changes all that message and click on save button. After which do the same procedure with the rest of it, and this is how you'll be able to set up welcome and goodbye channel on Discord. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.